how many years your industry is in this industrial estate?
We established the unit here in 2002. So right now already 22 years done. So
So what are the products your industry?
all the plastic furniture items, the plastic molded furniture items like chairs, tables, stools, baby chairs, all these items. But only in the range of plastic furnitures, nothing else.
What are the problems that your industry faces?
It's not particularly that my industry is facing some problems, but the majority of the industries in this estate are facing few problems. The first and foremost I would like to highlight is the frequent power outages. This is very daunting that when we are working here and then suddenly the load shedding is there. That is unplanned. Unscheduled load sheddings are a lot, and then more than that, the voltage underload, the voltage going down all the time. It's a big problem. Damages our machines, damages our motors, and it's a huge cost on us. Secondly, the water supply here is very erratic. Water doesn't come on time, and the water is very less. If you just do a survey of this estate, most of the industries here are majorly dependent on the water tanker people. But why we have placed several requests with IDC, and still they are not very forthcoming about this problem of ours. They have put up a line. Sometimes the water comes, sometimes doesn't come. But even if it comes, it doesn't satisfy the needs of the industry here. Water, electricity, good roads. These are the basic essential things which an industry needs, and especially the space also. Thirdly, the street lights, we have been requesting years and years that street lights need to be done here. The street lights are not functional most of the places. Even where they are functional, a lot more are needed. When we talk to them, they say that sometimes that it's the electricity department's job. Electricity department people will tell that IDC's job. So unnecessary, we are just held up in this matter. And a police outpost is also needed here. Although one police station has been established in Mardol, earlier it was all Ponda, small outpost was there in Mardol. Now a police station is there, but a regular check in the evening time, night time by police and one small police outpost may do really good in as far as security is concerned over here. And more than that, the plot availability is also a huge issue. The plot allotments are very slow and few and far between. Last year, March, plot allotments had come, offers had come. The IDC normally proposes that these are the plots that are to be allotted. And this proposal was hanging. There were a lot of vacant plots here, which were known to most of the people, but they were not advertising it. Once advertised, even till now, 1 year has gone. The whole process of allotment of plot to the entrepreneurs is not yet done. Why should it take so much time? We inquire with the IDC. They keep saying that it's in process, it's in process. The screening committee is in process. But these things can be done in a very time-bound manner. The time-bound manner work is not being done as much as IDC is concerned, I think. It can be expedited. It can be looked into. Because plot vacant, a plot, if the industry comes up, definitely business will be there, more revenue to the government, more revenue to the state, more revenue to the local people here also. In our industry, we have got sufficient fire extinguishers, and both for the electrical fire as well as the other fires. And most of the units which are coming up now, the fire department clearance is required, which nowadays are proposing the fire hazard anti-fire hazard equipments and everything, the water sourcing and all those things they are proposing now. But for the earlier units, no, it was not done. We have our own extinguishers.